Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain CREDPAL app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, in 2025, CREDPAL is a popular Nigerian fintech app that offers buy now, pay later credit, virtual dollar card, saving options and credit building tools all in one platform. User can shop online or in stores and spread payment over weeks or months with credit limits up to 2 million naira. It also includes features like investment wallet, up to 18% annual returns per getting tracking, and a smooth user interface. For many, it's helpful tools for managing expenses and accessing flexible financing without a traditional credit card. Still, CreditPay has its issues. Users often report low app performance, funding delay, and poor customer support. Also, some note a convincing payment flow and relative high interest rate over 6.5% monthly. And here's the take. CreditPay is worth it for users who want flexible payment option and credit access, but it's best for those who can manage repayments responsibly and aren't dependent on fast customer support or fast customer service. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful, and if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. And that's it.